So I'm on YouTube while I scroll through and I see a video pop up titled The Reggae Cypher for BET, featuring the likes of Wally artists. But Beenie Man there in there, me hear Beenie Man say this.
The Billboard magazine come out for there, them never reveal us. Thank God that I'm a genius, a musical Nostradamus.
You hear that? That's the reason why I decided to do this video. Apparently Nostradamus was a prophet. Like, a real one. So the entire line when Beenie Man say,
Thank God that I'm a genius, a musical Nostradamus.
the line actually makes sense. Plus, I learned something new. So this leads me to ask the question then. What lyrics we hear are always a sing? What genuinely don't make no sense? That we have to find out today. So boom. Well, one people, Rex Almighty there. Hope everybody alright. If you're not, then BK give you 2 burgers for $1,000. Make use of that. Alright, let me make this clear before me even start the video. This is for entertainment purposes only. You see me? We can always debate what you think about the lyrics in the comment section. Cool? Alright. Now let's start music. Music plays a huge role in our childhood growing up. If party a keep up the road and we hear Beres Hammond or Highway in a play, we know say box them just a string up. But if we hear RDX or Conscience a play, we know say woman them reach, pick the time done. Also, if we wake up on a Saturday or a Sunday and Kenny Rogers or Whitney Houston a play, we know say whole house a go clean. But either way, music is important to us, right? So let's zone in on what we actually listen. First to the stand we have DeMarco with his single, I Love My Life. Now to the date of this recording, this song has over 10 million views. And with good reasons. It's a catchy song with a positive message. But there's one line in it. One line that I found very mind-boggling. Now, this one is one of the debatable ones, right? It's either you're for it or you're against it. But to me, I believe that the future is no. Wait. No. No. You get the point, right? Me no feel say the future the hours away. Hours away then at the future, but it is not the future. You know, probably in my mind they are not a realm. Speaking of another realm, next up we have Ritical with his single Galaxy Brain. Now listen. Undeniably the song is bad. Me enjoy it every time it play. The song has shown me say yo, Ritical different from everybody else intellectually. And they make an effort to prove that in the song. With lyrics like
Celestial count, elliptical galaxy east side of the shore. Ritical the new prodigy, his majesty of known. Every gal of me knock your she bright, she have blow. Feel living in my world, terraforming off the shore.
the man deserve a listening ear. But there's a line in Galaxy Brain and I feel like some could have do without though. That one yeah.
I'm a regular tyrant, easily them wife turn my gal, make it type but I like Poseidon when she run around me, she not keep drive vagina.
The lines sound decent, right? Sound like it makes sense. Except it doesn't.
Say, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Hypotidal is not a word, fam. You see me? Me see say I try link tidal with water, but hypo mean low. It just don't make sense, right? The song bad though, don't get it wrong, it's a small error. Next up, we have Beenie Man with his single, Rum and Red Bull. Now to me, this song was one of the most annoying songs back in 2011. Everything about the song pissed me off. And though Beenie Man is the person who gave me the idea to make this video, him still not get no blind. Why him say so?
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. And you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful, like them on the dance, I'll get grappled. And I'm wrong.
Bro, what did you just say?
And because me want to know what craftful mean, me do what anybody else did I do. When me Google it, this how me see. It's a crocodilian enemy who stands on 2 feet found in Jamaica drinking rum and Red Bull.
What the
This man create him own word. But besides that though, me have a question. How Hennessy make your heart full? Anyways, probably me have it wrong. Big up yourself, Beenie Man. You know you're a legend now, you're feel already, you see me? Cool. Next to the stand, Bro got the first. Daddy One, with his breakout single, Custom. Appearing in the dancehall scene straight out of the 6 camp is no other than Daddy One, which proves himself to be, a strong artist in his own right. Dropping hits after hits according to his fan base, he became a staple in the dancehall culture rapidly. But as me always say, you move too fast, you're going up buck your toe. Now I don't have nothing to say about the verse here, you see me? We just want to explain why I say, cause I really not get it. Listen.
Speaking of custom, everything new me nah fi dust down. iPhone that mix with the Samsung, get a gal easy, me nah fi random. We travel with 6 pocket and 6 condoms. Some of them gal yeah travel with handgun ding ding. Tell a bad gal they fi calm down. Can't bring the 6 reputation guard up.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
As I say, I have nothing to say now. You see me? Comment below and explain to me why I must say. Because this man is saying so much and nothing at all. Believe me. Next to the stand, we have Ace God with his breakout single as well, Mark X and Axio. Just like Daddy One, Ace God come in a dancehall scene, took it by storm with this track. And just like Daddy One, he may not come in and twist him ankle too. Before I play the lyrics, listen. The song bad, you see me? Up to this day, I still listen it. But listen to the first 2 lines of the song though. Tell me if it makes sense.
Full serial chopper life, yeah. Life, yeah. Girl, I tell she want backers in a market. Just see come draws less. Ready for give me neck.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Now, I have a question if you ask you now, yes, God. Right? Your woman confused. She must confuse. What she says she want?
Girl, I tell she want backers in a market. Just see come draws less.
And what she doing she found 9 Mark X?
Ready for give me neck.
I don't understand why you even did this to yourself. This made you look so fucking stupid.
Yeah, man, me convinced. If your woman confused, you see me? Big and serious. Listen, people. Writing a song is very difficult, right? Sure, say me can't do it even me try. But that not stop me from criticizing anything I want to put out there. You see me, no put it out there for we listen it as the consumers. So, me I go judge it. Right, if I fart, me I go tell you. You see me? And apparently them lines here to me, them 5 songs here, they make no sense to me. Comment below and let me know, which of the lyrics make you go, you see me? Which lyrics put out where you feel like it don't make no sense to you. Let me know. Who knows, you might forward now part 2. Until next time, IG. Skilly Bang. You know get my IG, you see me? Believe me. Peace.